Today we will learn about number bonds. We will make 10 with Coconeon and Fred. Number bonds show how two numbers add. Let's explore numbers together today. Coconeon is a friendly watermelon. He has bright neon colors that shine. Fred is a cheerful little boy. He loves to play and learn each day. We are in a sunny garden today. It's a perfect place for fun learning. Coconeon and Fred are ready to play. They will find pairs to make 10. Let's go on an adventure, hooray! Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Making 10 is super fun to see. Join us now, let's shout with glee. Counting pairs is what we need to do. 1 plus 9 makes 10, it's true. 2 plus 8 makes 10, yes indeed. 3 plus 7, let's count with speed. 4 plus 6 makes 10, give a cheer. 5 plus 5 makes 10, let's be clear. Coconeon says, let's keep exploring. Fred agrees, this is so rewarding. They look for numbers in the garden. What can they find? Let's start searching. Look over there, what do you see? Coconeon points, it's a big tree. Fred finds 2 flowers blooming bright. Let's count them, he says with delight. 1 flower and 1 more makes 2. Yay! Coconeon shouts, we did it too. Coconeon sees 3 butterflies fly. Let's count them as they go by. 1, 2, 3, Fred counts with glee. Now how many more to make 10, you see? 4 more butterflies will come our way. Fred claps his hands and starts to play. Coconeon smiles and shakes his seed. We're making 10, yes indeed. Now it's time for a learning break. This is a number bond we can make. This is a 1. Say 1. I see 1. This is a 9. Say 9. I see 9. Count to 10 with me right now. Show 10 fingers. Let's take a bow. We counted 10. Yay, we did. Now let's try again. This is fun, kids. This is a 2. Say 2. I see 2. This is an 8. Say 8. I see 8. Count to 10, let's do it again. Show me 10, we're counting friends. This is a 3. Say 3. I see 3. This is a 7. Say 7. I see 7. Count to 10, feel the rhythm now. Show me 10, let's say wow. This is a 4. Say 4. I see 4. This is a 6. Say 6. I see 6. Count to 10, let's have some fun. Show me 10, we're almost done. Now Coconeon and Fred have a challenge. They want to find pairs that can balance. Can you help them find the match? Use your counting skills, let's attach. Fred finds 5 apples on the ground. How many more do we need around? Coconeon says, 5 more apples we need. Together they count with joy and speed. They count each apple and feel so proud. 10 apples total. They shout out loud. We made 10 with our counting game. Learning number bonds is never the same. Let's practice together now. Come on, friends. What do you say when I say 2? Your turn. Say it. What do you say when I say 8? One more time. Say it. Your turn. What do you say when I say 5? One more time. Say it. Your turn. How many makes 10 when you have to? Think about it now, don't be shy. Your turn. Say your answer high. What two numbers make 10 if one is 4? Can you guess what we're looking for? Your turn. Shout it out more. Let's recap what we learned today. Number bonds show us how to play. 1 plus 9 makes our first pair. 2 plus 8 shows we can share. 3 plus 7 makes us feel bright. 4 plus 6 brings us delight. Remember to be kind and share your way. Patience and friendship help us each day. Now it's time for our happy song. We had fun learning. It didn't take long. Goodbye from Coconeon and Fred today. See you next time. Let's sing and play. The end of our adventure today was sweet. Learning together cannot be beat. Keep counting and playing every day. We'll see you soon. Hip hip hooray.